Ramadan is not just about fasting from food and drink. It is about fasting from bad words and actions too. The way we speak and behave defines our character, and Islam teaches us to use our words wisely and treat others with kindness. But are we truly controlling our tongue and actions? Our actions speak louder than words. Are we showing patience, kindness, and honesty? Are we forgiving others and avoiding anger? Ramadan is the best time to work on self-improvement. Even simple acts like smiling, helping others, and being polite bring huge rewards. In Sahih al-Bukhari, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever does not give up false statements, that is, telling lies, and evil deeds, that is, bad actions, and speaking bad words to others, Allah is not in need of his fasting from food and drink." This hadith reminds us that fasting is not just about the stomach. It is about the heart and tongue too. Let's make sure our fasts are accepted by avoiding bad speech and focusing on good actions. Ramadan is the perfect time to practice patience, kindness, and self-control. If we can train our tongues and actions this month, it will benefit us for a lifetime. Think about your words. Are you speaking kindness? Or are you letting angry words? This month, let's focus on controlling our tongue. It's easy to say something we regret, right? Words have power. Ask yourself, am I spreading good or bad? Before you say something, take a moment to ask yourself 3 important questions. Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? If your answer is no to any of these, it is best to stay quiet. Remember that a kind word has the power to brighten someone's day, while a harsh one can break their heart. Let's use this Ramadan as an opportunity to train ourselves to speak wisely and spread positivity in our conversations. What is one thing you will change about the way you speak or act? Please share in the comments. We hope this video clarifies your doubts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for mankind for more informative contents, and share it with your friends and family. May Allah bless you all.